everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to add voiceover in Vimeo. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com. And here, select the video you want to add the voiceover to. You can select from your recent videos, or you can go to the library and select a video from there. Let's select this one. Now, click on the captions icon, and here click on audio tracks. Now you can select the language of your original video, and here you can add an additional audio track. Just click on upload audio track, or click on browse files and select your voiceover, and then click open. Here you have to select the language of your voiceover. Let's just select German, for example. And for the type, you have 3 types to choose from. Let's just select .audio, and then click on upload. Click on the 3 dots if you want to edit or delete your file. And as you can see, you can add up to 15 audio tracks. You can upload other languages, commentary, and descriptive audio to improve accessibility. And that's it. After finishing, just click on share to share your video by copying the link to your video, or by copying the embed code to your video and pasting it in your website. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Goodbye.